So guys, this is right in front of my Anian Town to be exact. Yes, the rain is falling and it not stop none at all. And the road itself, as you all know, is a white line road. It's a main road from Falling to Cave Valley. I can only catch between my neighbors ending road and come down here. So it's a river on my road now. This is my shop front. Yes. Water like sand. You know? What's wrong with you? Yes, so all who live some area where you not see the big water right in front of my yard, in front of my shop. This is now a river. I now have a river. Scary. I'm telling you, man. It is scary. But the thing is, the rain fall from Manchester, come straight down. Yes. From Manchester, and it comes straight down. I never know said that little rainfall would have been such a big issue. You see the rain that fall and yeah. Yes, guys. I'm not going out because I can't swim. I have one little rock stone on the back of my yard. When I had a little girl, I used to go up on a rock stone there. So if the water get too high, I straight up them I go now. No shame about it. I'm not lying in a rough bad. God, Jesus. 1 2 people in my place there. Good job. When you most glad say you move from up here. Watch out. Over clinic, you look at the water already over clinic now. Who are going to sleep in them rain, I say? Anybody sleep in them rain and see so much water in front of their yard, they have a very strong heart. My heart weak. Yeah, the yard full of water out there, you know. I don't know where they're supposed to be. Right in the house, the water. If I never garage up there, so water, they're right in for me house right now. I have to give thanks to that garage there. Yes. Watch out! Watch a big old piece of log. That's why I say, look boy, when I see a walk in the water, they need to come off of the road because they don't know what happened to them. Shanna, leave me alone. Then wait. But I really want to my bed now in this rain and I got to drink 2 shots of rum and watch you water and just pray and say, Jah, hold your hand. Because I don't want to see a place this when rain fall. Oh my, 1 2 people in my water trap up this stuff. I wonder where they put them vehicle. They must carry around after rain. Yes, Lolita, it's on the road. And it's a white line road, you know, and no back road, no mall road off and no main. This is the road from Spalding to Cave Valley, but currently this is Anian Town. This is Anian Town, guys. I could even go stretch a little further if you want to come up the road because I can't swim. Yes, Leo, where they going? There's water coming in my room and all, girl. Oh God, bridge block long time. Really? From water the pan this road, the bridge cover long time. Yes, when I that me I do and they're quiet. I've been like one sip. Doesn't like a star, a selfish. Huh? Yeah. Yes, Terry, right in front of me yard. Right now, I'm in shop step me turn up pan. Right on the shop. Oh my. Well, I don't ever shop front to be a water there front this way, you know. I should go over our house. And come out of the shop. I shop low, you know. You shop low. I know our river in front of my shop, and I cannot see. Holy phone for that. No, suppose me come caminhar yet.
No, suppose they make a mistake by now, but it's go for.
No, you could have class a while ago if you stay too long. But you know, so less than half an hour this something. Less than 20 minutes.
So I'm going to give me a blood.
What's wrong with that? You're too unshoot, man. What happened? How would you say in our water? You know, so they look a picking and take back. Watch them. Look at boy, you can't swim. Don't follow the Monday.
Hey, John, a brave door.
Watch him and follow back. Yes, you have to go in the yard.
The bar shoes cut out now.
Okay. Imagine Corona kill we off. And then this a flooding here. All this a weather here. Corona, I love heat, you know. And cool weather coming along. You get locked down. 1-2 people, they will not save no little money. To buy them little flour. That's trouble. Oh God. Poor people fed up their no man and then natural disaster come. Yes, guys. In here told me, I wonder what going out of Cave Valley just to look so. If in here town look so, you know, so Cave Valley look away. And then you know about Bagwell. Yeah. And if you tell you how I can't sleep. Anyway, I got any live, I just show I go and find in Jamaica. I go look I go and find some other people in because from where I get them water, you know, so from other place I get you rough too. Right there.